Hi everyone, welcome to Miraculous Miles. We're here today at the RV to do some more work. We got quite a bit of work to do today. We'll see what we can get done. I forgot to film it last week when I was here, but let's see. Over here is I got that ripped out, got this thing off the wall, so I was able to get the wall off. Pulled the sidewalls apart to see the damage. It's not too bad, actually, on the sidewalls. It's just everything else on the front. But the goal today is to pull out get that board off there and get some of this off here so I can see if the board 2x2 or whatever is there, whatever they have there, is usable or not. The next steps to this thing will be taking the seals off outside, resealing everything so we can do this work, getting the ceiling pulled back a bit, getting that fixed to where we need it. And there's definitely some water damage behind here. I just think it's wet. It's dry. I don't think it's, moldy or rotting or anything like that. The other issue I had was this board here. It does look like it's dried out some. It's still wet a bit, but considering all the rain that we've had, it's dry in here. But I also think that's because of how the RV is parked, not because there's no water getting in. But yeah, so today that's the goal, is to get that piece out, get that one off. Maybe some of the sidewalls if I can, but we shall see what gets done. I still gotta paint it, as you can see. Do a quick walk through here of what it still looks like. I got all the cabinets off because I will be painting everything. I think it's gonna just all be white. So here's that's the bedroom and the bath. And everything's been cleaned out as much as it can be cleaned. It's just getting this up here finished. So that is the goal today, and I will come back to you and see how we do by the end of the day. Oh my goodness. I just sprayed some ant spray. There's tons of them. Look at them all falling out. Oh my gosh. Wow. Like, I can hear them crawling. Probably should have done that last. Ugh. Everywhere, my gosh. Wow. My goodness. They're dying. They're dying. I feel like I need to move. Oh my gosh, that's so nasty. Oh. lavender scent. At least this should smell better in here. You guys should hear this. I can literally hear them moving and dropping. Not creepy at all. Alright. Alright, and we're back. I got quite a bit done. Not everything I wanted, but a lot. Got some more of the wood out there. I got that middle out, which actually looks half decent. Some of the wood is just wet, but some of it's not. I think probably just replacing it all might be the best bet. I didn't really get to the walls. Started the ceiling, but it's gonna probably take all day to do that. That there. I sprayed in the corner there for ants. There's a ton of them, and I sprayed some more again. Probably get a fogger or something to put in here. But that is what I got done for today. And I'm hoping to get back here again this week. No, it'll be next week. And I got a new blade to help get this off. And it seemed to work really well to get this part off. So I'm hoping I can cut some of it off to see underneath. And also probably reseal the outside. That's what I'd actually like to do next, is reseal the outside, but we will see. So thanks again for joining me, and see you next time. Bye.